fresh 2018 Mazda 6 debuted in sedan form at the 2017 Los Angeles Auto Show last year, packing a revised interior, an optional 2.5-liter turbo 4, and a new range-topping signature trim that promises a more luxurious experience. At the 2018 Geneva Auto Show, the Wagon version of the 2018 Mazda 6 will make its debut. Sadly, we won't be getting this sleek, sexy D-pillared variant here in the US. Like its sedan sibling, the 2018 Mazda 6 Wagon gets the same improvements such as an updated suite of active driver assistance features, an optional 360-degree camera system, a revised exterior with the new corporate face, and better NVH. Mazda's 2.5-liter Turbo 4 should also be offered alongside a range of naturally aspirated gas engines and the Skyactiv D 2.2-liter Turbo i4. In addition to the 2018 Mazda 6 Wagon, its sedan sibling will make its European debut at the 2018 Geneva Auto Show alongside the Cayenne Vision Coupe concepts, both of which made their world premieres at the 2017 Tokyo Auto Show. The Kai concept is essentially a preview of what's to come on the 4th-generation Mazda 3, previewing the next generation of Mazda's Skyactiv platform and Skyactiv X powertrain, the first production gas engine to feature compression ignition, with a little help from some spark plugs. The Vision Coupe concept, on the other hand, is a study that gives us a peek at the future design direction for Mazda vehicles.